what you want to do is open up the Chrome browser. Inside your Chrome browser, you want to enter in the website address for the web server and check that this is functioning correctly. As you can see of the example, it will load and a lot of things will say not connected and null, including a plain picture on the actual start. This is correct and what the web server should look like without a feed running into it. Open the data simulator and push start to run the data script. Then back on the website, you should see some information actually going through it. As for an example, in the power feed, you'll be able to spot the status bar actually changing to the data, as you'll notice that it will change between different actual statuses depending on what data is going through it. You'll also see the voltage information adjust. In this example, we only have the left and the right solar bank actually being worked. The graph will also display the results based on those actual figures and give you a total power usage. Finally, on this page, you will see that the signal bar at the top right will actually change as well. So this will increase and decrease as a sample of when the signal increases and decreases in the actual script. As the power bar will go, you'll be able to move your mouse over the power bar and you'll be able to actually see what voltages or what power is actually at those points. So this gives you a live feed to understand of what actual power the SUV is actually generating. Finally, towards the end, you'll want to actually stop the actual script and make sure that the website actually then goes to disable, so everything should go on. This will be an example of when the aircraft turns off and the aircraft has no power, so the website should then not respond. And you'll see this very shortly. Now, like testing the power, we're going to test the web to make sure that the image feed actually works. Again, load the script so it runs the fake data simulator. Go back to the website and refresh the website to make sure that it's up to date. You should see that that will cause the data to respond and the web feed, the image feed to start loading, including all the other data. Check that the GPS is also responding, as this was not checked before. Now you can go into all the other pages, the video page, the mapping page and the power page, just to confirm they're all working. As the video page will have just a single web image that will keep refreshing as the time goes on. The mapping yet is not in development, so this will still be a blank page. But you will see power as you saw before. Press home again then to confirm that the home link is working. And if this is the case, then the requirements fall past, as they all have except for the mapping. Now this test has been satisfied as all the website functionality is working with the data simulator in it. The only part that has failed has been the mapping, due to the mapping not being actually developed at this stage, but may be developed at a later stage and retested. Though none of these tests actually satisfy any of the system requirements, they all are foundations for actually testing for the system requirements at a later stage, as most of the actual requirements based for the web server need this to function correctly to pass the requirement. That's it for this test. Catch up on the next test to get the next progress.